Yep, yeah, we got some dialogue there. We covered in the initial week. Yeah, so I won't go through it again. So here, I don't know, I just like to put first like Blood Hero and Co. because I just found out they like to go for first sometimes. There we go. They put a hit on Co. The BB-8, I just wiggle here. And our Ray can put a taunt on herself. And then here, obviously, Mind Tricks, you don't want to use it, especially on Kylo, because when you remove his turn meter, he will be gaining max health and protection. And BB-8 resist. And then here, let's swap turn meter with Ray. So she can put more life blood into Jedi Train. Ray. And let's do attack bit. Put more life blood into Jedi Train Ray. And let's do attack. There. Okay. And now because we have a force taunt over on Jedi Train Gray, we can go ahead and throw up an AoE and don't worry too much about counter attacking and damage to things. Yeah, she gets to do the AoE, that's fine. We got some counter attacks of our own. So let's just use now Whirlwind here, start working on Kylo Ren. As before, we do not want to use Mind Tricks here on Kylo, but we do want to use it now for that's why I saved it. Didn't use it first because now you can go ahead use it and then Ray will get a quick another turn and she'll be able to again put taunt on herself. So that's why I kind of saved it initially. I wanted to use it after my taunt expires so she can get another quick turn and again get a taunt. And let's go after Kylo because healing unit is still on him. So he won't be able to recover health, but healing unit is still on him. So he won't be able to recover on health. Let's do more life block. Loving Ray. Just keep her alive, so she'll be pretty much taunting permanently here for us. Okay, here we go. With the wiggle, we're almost there. Okay. Alright, so we love the tone here. And you know what? Thing is not looking too good there, so let's put life blood on him. And you know what? Thing is not looking too good there, so let's put life blood on him. Just in case. There we go, and here comes the Illuminated Destiny. There we go. First things first, let's again put a force point over on Ray. Then we apply healing units to heal to bring the power range so he can't heal up. Use Whirlwind. Got Kyle in the red already. Okay, there we go. So we lost the tone there, unfortunately. Let's actually put my life blood on Poe, just in case we go after him while we are getting our tone back on. As you can see, thanks to the healing immunity, Kylo's not able to heal up. Now let's swap the meter here with Ray to another whirlwind here. And there goes to clean the Kylo Ren, and now just in case of cleaning up these two guys, it's too difficult. You're going to be counter attacking. But anyway, let's put a taunt up here. They get protection up from the counter attack and things like that. So do use your then BB-8 basic just to get tenacity down and then as well as then days. Sorry guys, using basic there, lightness down. Yeah, okay. Because what obviously the buff to Kylo does it whenever these guys have advantage, and as you can see the cons that you have advantages, you can't critically hit them. So they're just a little bit tankier than usual. So okay, the other guy's dazed already. So let's for BB-8 on this guy here to lightness down him. And because this guy's dazed now, he won't be able to counter attack. So let's just go ahead and finish him off. So let's now apply contact on Ray. And whenever I something, you can use my trick because it's ready for another quick time and it's really